guys, and welcome back. Just a quick reminder that the spring giveaway will be drawn very soon. I've gone and I've sourced a lovely piece of wood that's going to make the spring garden sign for the winner, and this will be done on camera. And whatever the favorite quote is that wins is going to go on this board and will be gifted to the person who wins. All I'm going to do with this actually is a piece of old floorboarding that I just managed to source from some builders who are just doing up a house in the area, and it's got a little bit of glue on it. So all I'm going to do to prepare this piece of wood is I'm going to give it a nice sand so it's nice and smooth and all ready to paint up and look beautiful in the spring garden or in your home for spring. So let me remind you of the rules. All you've got to do is like the Living Studio page and comment below what your favorite spring quote is, whether it's happy as a daffodil or trespassers will be composted. Whatever is your springtime favorite quote, I will be making this for you if you win the draw. So good luck everybody, and comment below, like the page to join the competition, and good luck.